Why choose Avalon Services for carpet cleaning? Our professional reputation is anchored on our relentless pursuit to deliver excellent results and give your carpet the deep, thorough clean it deserves. The following are what sets Avalon Services apart from the competition. Our team of licensed carpet cleaning specialists always look after your carpet's longevity and hygiene with persistence. We employ a tough yet customized cleaning approach designed to get rid of all forms of dirt and stains that accumulate in your carpet in the most effective way possible. Green Movement. We have well-tried and tested carpet cleaning treatments which are 100% eco-friendly and guaranteed safe for humans and the environment. Contact us today for that wonderful Avalon Services experience. You may call us at +65 6570 9633 or visit our website at www.avalonservices.com.sg.